One of the number one questions we get is, can I convert my manual recliner into a power recliner? Now, it sounds like a great idea and we'd love to be able to do it, but unfortunately it's just really not possible. Now, I guess if you decided to go crazy and weld a whole bunch of mechanical pieces and make it work, you could. So is it impossible? Of course not. But for a normal chair, for a normal person to do it, it's not. I'm gonna kind of just show you how. So this is a manual recliner, right? This one just has a normal manual pull. I'm not gonna pull it because it'll come out here, but as I pull it, it's just a spring loaded that's going to come out and it's going to recline. That's how a manual recliner works. But you can see in here how it's designed versus next door. This is now a power recliner. Power recliner is totally different in that we have to have a whole separate bar in the back. So you can see here, no separate bar, no separate bar. So there's nowhere to connect this motor and mechanism to be able to make it a power recliner. So unfortunately, the mechanism of a manual recliner just doesn't work to make it a power recliner. So the answer is, can I make my manual recliner a power recliner? Unfortunately not. To be honest, it'd be just a lot cheaper to buy a power recliner than to try and convert it. So the guts just don't make it possible. We'd love to do it, we just can't.